Today is Thanksgiving Day. I'm going to cut this onion and put it in the microwave for 10 seconds. And it's going to arc up like there's graphene in it. I just did it with another one. Okay, so it's in there. We're going to do 10 seconds. Okay. Maybe it's the stuffing. Okay, I put these onions in here from the same onion, but it has stuffing on it. And look at, they're arcing. Okay, I'll just put it in and I'll show you. Okay. Sorry, my microwave's not the cleanest, but... What is that? Did you see that? Why are they arcing? That's graphene. Onions don't do that. Onions shouldn't do that. Okay, so I'm gonna chop these up just a little bit more. See, they're burning, but this, what is that? Okay, let's try these ones again. Try it again. 10. Okay, I'm gonna throw some stuffing in. Okay, this plate has got stuffing on it. I am gonna trip the fuck out. I made stuffing. It's Thanksgiving Day. Let's see if it's in the... Like this just arced like crazy. I'll put it down and cut a little bit more. Okay, I just cut a little bit more. Oh, here, I want to put on the plate that's not arcing. Okay. 15. Holy shit. Holy shit. Okay. Oh my god. That's onion. What the fuck? What the fuck? Oh my god. That's not normal. I want to timestamp this. Thanksgiving Day. Hello. Onions that arc. It was from this onion. A regular fucking... Wow. That's crazy.